Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove and clean infuser in Whirpool coffee maker W11. So let's start from opening the service door, open the bottom cover and remove a little bit the coffee container and the drip tray. Now push two red elements and pull to the front side the infuser. As you can see, now we can remove it with any problem. Now just soak the infuser in the water for 5 minutes, then rinse it. Remember to do not use the liquid detergent to clean it. After the cleaning, just replace the infuser by sliding it in the proper place. Make sure that it's fit correctly and push it to the machine way. Then close the drip tray, close the doors, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment, and goodbye.